They are pizza muffins. I'm using, first of all, a cup of flour, and this is a recipe that you can just throw it all in and mix, so that's brilliant. We've got some ham that I had in the freezer, it was like half a packet, and also half a cup of grated cheese. We've got a combination of cheddar and parmesan. You can use whatever you've got. I need to add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can put the cheese in, Soph. Half a cup of milk. I've got some mixed herbs, but you could use oregano if you wanted to. A tablespoon of tomato puree. Again, I haven't got my tablespoons, I'm going to do 2 of these. Use my silicone muffin cases, which are brilliant. I use them for sweet and savoury, and they don't retain the smell or the taste, so that's really good. And then we're just going to fill them up to about 2/3, 3/4 full. Maybe a bit more, and then just pop them in the oven. These are great, you can put them in the freezer, just take them out of the freezer on the morning you want to put them in the packed lunch, pop them in, and they'll be defrosted by lunchtime.